Guys, thank you for clicking and watching the video. I wanted to make this quick video just to give you guys an update of what's been happening with the channel. I know it's been taking me a little bit longer than I should to release the next couple of videos that I wanted to release, but I had some issues in real life that came up, and very important decisions that I needed to make. Really is what it is. That's gonna affect me for the rest of my life. So for that, I apologize, you guys. It's just something that was out of my hands. It has been resolved. And with that, the good news with all this is that because all this came up in IRL, I was actually able to get some extra money so that now I can get better equipment to help me make the videos faster. Well, it's more of keeping the flow, my workflow when making the videos organized. So with all this equipment that's gonna help me out now, things gonna be a little bit smoother and faster to make. But I also wanted to, to make this video to say thank you to you guys. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for all the views. Thank you for the subs. This channel has hit over 1,000 subs now, and I know other YouTubers, they like to make like a party or something about that. But I'm still new to all this, but I am truly grateful for all the support that you guys have been giving me so far. So thank you so much. I wanted to make this video because I didn't even want to script the video like I normally would. I just want this all to come out naturally. Because first I needed to let you guys know what was happening and what's been happening. I know I've been streaming and I kind of talk about it there a little bit, but not everybody watches the stream. So I figure it's better to make a video and just, give you all the updates there. So with all that said, I do have a couple of course, I'm having the PS2 videos that I needed to finish up, wrap up, and come out, which is the PSBVN tutorial / review. And I also have the Memcard Pro video as well. Those videos are awesome. I still recommend those updates, upgrades to the PS2. I recommend them. So I'll get those videos done so that way you guys can see more of how all that works. But also, I have some other videos that I want to start doing on the channel. That's why I wanted to make this channel update, because you guys know that I like playing Resident Evil all the Resident Evil games. So I'm gonna be doing reviews or whatnot of that, especially with the newer ones that are coming out. So I want to start talking about it in the channel more. And you also know I'm a big Mortal Kombat fan too as well. So you're gonna start seeing more content on that as well, especially with some of the announcements that are being made. So expect some, like a hybrid of mods and certain games and whatnot. For now, I'm going to stick to Resident Evil and kind of Mortal Kombat videos for the time being. Of course, I'll introduce other games as time comes, but these are just the stuff that I like, the games that I like, that you will see me streaming to as well. So expect that as a new update to the channel. It's kind of like when I first started the channel, yes, mods were pretty much the niche of the channel, but I also threw in gaming videos as well, because that's part of the content that I wanted to make of the channel. And you've seen I did the Mortal Kombat 2 one for the PlayStation, but pretty much now I want to start, having a certain schedule where certain mods will be coming out, because mods take longer to make. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Those mods videos, they're not perfect, obviously, but they do take time to make. So that's gonna help me out releasing the game video as well too, because those aren't as bad to make, or not bad, but not as time consuming, I should say. So thank you everybody for all the support you guys have given me. Thank you so much for the views, the likes, the subscription. I am truly grateful. I never thought I was gonna be able to even hit that goal as fast as I did, the 1,000 subs. So I really am truly grateful, and I appreciate it. I appreciate all the love and support that you guys have been giving me, all the comments and the subs too. When you guys need help with anything, I try to do my best to help you out as best as I can. When it comes to these mods, there's different system, different situations. So I try to give you guys at least either a help or a better place to look for the help. You know, not everybody's gonna have the same, you know, mod that I did. So I try my best. That's what I'm trying to say, guys. But again, thank you so much. I'm truly grateful. I never thought I would be able to even hit the goals that I have as far as the channel goes at the moment where it is. And that's all because of you guys. You know, it to me is excuse me, I'm stuttering, but it's because it's amazing. I know people look at it and it's like, oh, but you don't have that much help. No, to me, I'm very grateful because I'm asking you to take some time away from your life to watch me. Even if it's 5 minutes, even if it's 10 minutes, even if it's a half hour, an hour, that's time that you guys can do something to get something done. And you're taking the time to watch me. So you don't understand how grateful I am for that. So thank you so much, you guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything. As the channel continues to grow, I'll continue to do, you know, as much as I can with the content. And of course, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different content to make it a little bit varied. But of course, I'm still always going to do the mods. And I will do the game stuff too as well. So expect more to come soon. Guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you. And see you soon. Peace.